Yes? Okay, it's ready, okay? 4. Alright. 4, that's one. Daphne.
Oh.
Okay, do you want to write? Come here. Wait, I'm going to put a space on it. O. O. Repeat. O. Repeat. You say.
Oh.
O. F. Repeat. Okay, very good. O. Okay, here you have. O. Alright. Firdaus, you've got another one. Okay. Wait, I want to make space. Okay, now. Which letters you were thinking? S. T. Repeat.
T.
Okay.
O.
O.
R.
Okay. R.
A.
E. Okay, very good. Thank you for those. Okay, any more? Naya, Naha, Urko. Do you remember another one? No? Ada? You've got another one? Okay. Okay. And do you want to write? Yes. It's, wait, a space. Wait. No. Okay. Okay, what letter is this? R. Wait, repeat.
R.
Angela, how do you say this?
R.
E. This one.
E.
Okay. Now.
S.
Okay. And the last one.
T.
T. Okay. R. E. S. T. Okay.
Wow.
How many words? How many? Somebody else?
I can see one.
You can see a wall. How many walls can you see?
3.
3 walls. Okay. And that?
I can see touch.
A torch. Yes. Who has the torch? Who has the torch? Who is this? Who is this? Oops. Oop. Yes. Uncle Oop. Okay. He's holding the torch. There. Okay.
I can see the books.
The books. Where are the books? Can you point them? Yes? Can you point them there? Say here. Yes. Okay. Here. Okay. What else can you see? Urko?
But
How many bats can you see?
Batman.
Yes, you remember Batman. Yes? And this is a bat. How many bats? How many bats can you see?
2.
2 bats. There. Okay. And what is this place? What is this place? What is
Dark.
this place? It's dark. Okay. And what's this? The tunnel. Is it light or dark?
Light.
Yes. Do you think it is light?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Serratic. Why is light? It's like a wave, a road. But is there light? Like a torch here? Do you think so?
No.
No. This is very light here. Cave. The cave is light. But the tunnel? How do you imagine the tunnel?
Dark.
Dark. Okay. Yeah, I can imagine the dark. Yeah, the dark tunnel. Okay. And Gota, Lala, Ho, and the other word. What do they do with super?
Super word.
With super word. They are very super. Super. Yes? Sleeping.
Sleeping.
Lala, home, and your work, we don't know the name, too. They are very
Curious.
they are curious, yes, and do they touch? Yes, do they go to Super and touch Super? Why? He's different. He's very different. Yes? Okay. And what is special about Super? What is this? Wait, what is this?
No.
And what is special about Super's nose?
Super nose.
What is special? Is it different? Is Super's nose different?
No.
No? It's not different?
No.
Maybe we forgot the story. What color is Super's nose?
Red.
It's red. And what color is Uncle Urb's nose?
Black.
Black. And what color is Lala